Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can invite friends onto the flip diving game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the flip diving game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this page, just tap on the share with a friend button at the top right section, and this will give you a QR code. Now your friend will need to use their phone and scan this QR code, and it will download the game for free. And by this method, you can invite as many people as you want to make them join the flip diving experience. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends onto the flip diving game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.